let my followers know who I am, and obviously if you're following me, have sort of a deeper connection really. So if you aren't interested, you can hit the top left, I think right there. Let's get going. You grow as an individual. I mean, you're never gonna learn anything really. I mean, you can read as much books as possible and watch as many TV shows, but until you go out there, you're not gonna understand what it's like. The history is what really gets me, and I love learning about different cultures and, you know, eating different foods. Obviously when I started traveling, it wasn't easy. It doesn't come easily to you. You gotta get used to these sort of things. So, you know, now I can sort of acclimatize to conditions and heats and, you know, the food and stuff. It takes time. My actual favorite place I've ever gone to is actually Cambodia. I loved the country, the people, the food. They've got a recent history where there was a mass genocide, and the people that I met, you know, lost families, friends, but they live life with so much joy. I think Cambodia is right up there. There are the obvious ones. I mean, I obviously done the Seven Wonders most recently, so I think that the toughest one I'd done was Machu Picchu. That was physically the most exhausting thing I've ever done. Petra was actually hard to get to because you had to drive from the capital city of Amman, and driving, by the way, wasn't easy. I don't recommend it to anyone, but that was a tough place to get to, but that was satisfying. One tip I would give you is being maybe open-minded, going out there and trying different things, different foods, meeting the locals as well. That's what makes the journey even better, when you meet the locals and you see how they live their lives. You know, you can't get a better perspective on a country unless you meet the locals. If you can travel out on your own, I mean, it'd probably be even better. I mean, it might make you grow as a person. I mean, it's definitely, you know, helped me grow as an individual. You get to see more and you get to experience more. You also get to meet some amazing people along the way. I mean, I've met some amazing people that I still keep in touch with. If you don't like it, then obviously you can go back to traveling with other people. But yeah, it's a good way of understanding how traveling works. What's next for me? There are a few places I've got planned already this year. I'm not going to say where. You just have to just wait and see where I go. Hopefully I can do more of these and interact with you further. So thank you.